In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete DirectX Shader Cache and Windows 11 or Windows 10. Now, this should be a quick and easy process video. All you have to do is to go ahead to search menu and type in disk cleanup. Go ahead, click on open. After that, just give it some time to load. And here, just make sure to select DirectX Shader Cache. Just make sure it's selected. It's the important one. So after you do that, just go ahead, click on OK. Then click on Delete Files. Then just give it some time. And after that, you are all good to go. This was how to delete DirectX Shader Cache in Windows 11 or Windows 10. You can also restart the computer for changes to take place. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.